Most animals that are kept in zoos often roam back and forth because they have nowhere to go. Animals that are being held captive often live in cages and enclosed areas that are over 140,000 times smaller than their real homes.
For example, lions and tigers have around 18,000 times less space than they would in the wild.
It may seem like a lot, but polar bears have millions less times space.
Animals aren't here to be held captive and to do stupid tricks. They are here to live in the wild with their families. Keeping them in cages causes a lot of stress on the animals and can shorten their lifespan.